Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0097 refers to a low voltage signal detected in the intake air temperature IAT sensor 2 circuit, indicating an issue that may affect the system's performance and efficiency. The IAT sensor 2 is typically located near the intake manifold, where it measures the temperature of the air entering the engine. This information is crucial for the powertrain control module, PCM, which uses it to adjust the air-fuel mixture, ignition timing, and overall engine performance. A malfunction in this sensor can lead to incorrect readings that can cause poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and potential engine performance problems. If your Honda Civic displays this code, it's important to address it promptly, as it may indicate a short circuit or poor connection within the system. Proper troubleshooting is needed to identify the root cause and ensure vehicle reliability. The IAT sensor 2 plays a critical role in monitoring the temperature of the air entering the engine, which directly impacts engine performance. Located near the intake manifold of the Honda Civic, this sensor sends real-time temperature information to the powertrain control module, PCM. By evaluating the air temperature, the PCM can make necessary adjustments to fuel injection and ignition timing, ensuring optimal engine efficiency and performance. A failure in this sensor, indicated by DTC P0097, suggests that the voltage reading is lower than expected, specifically less than 0.08 volts. This condition can lead the PCM to miscalculate air density and subsequently affect combustion efficiency. It's imperative to diagnose this issue to maintain both engine performance and vehicle emission standards. The possible causes of DTC P0097 can stem from several areas. Firstly, a failed IAT sensor 2 is a likely cause. The sensor's internal circuitry may have deteriorated over time, leading to inaccurate voltage readings. Secondly, wiring issues can contribute to this error. Damaged, frayed, or shorted wires in the IAT circuit may result in low voltage signals. Additionally, poor connections at the sensor or the PCM can interfere with the signal transfer. Loose terminals or corrosion can cause intermittent failures, making it vital to inspect and secure these connections. Each of these causes directly affects the ability of the sensor to relay accurate information to the PCM, potentially leading to inefficient engine operation and undesirable performance metrics. When DTC P0097 is present, it can manifest several noticeable symptoms in a Honda Civic. The most immediate symptom is often the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver to a potential issue within the vehicle's electronic systems. Additionally, drivers may experience poor engine performance, such as hesitation during acceleration or stalling, as the PCM struggles to adjust parameters based on incorrect temperature readings. Another common symptom is decreased fuel efficiency, as the engine may run rich or lean due to the false air temperature data affecting fuel calculations. Drivers should pay attention to these indicators, as they can signify that the vehicle's performance is compromised and may lead to larger issues if not addressed. Timely diagnosis and repair can help restore the vehicle's optimal operation. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0097, you need to start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the electrical systems but does not start the engine. Then, utilizing the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, check the parameters related to the IAT sensor 2. This includes monitoring the current voltage output from the sensor to ensure it meets the expected threshold of less than 0.08 volts. If the current conditions match this threshold, it confirms that the failure can be recreated, and you will proceed to the next step. However, if the voltage exceeds this limit, it may suggest intermittent issues within the system, prompting you to check for loose connections or possible sensor failures. This verification step is critical as it establishes a foundation for further diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0097, begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode to safely handle electrical components. Next, disconnect the IAT sensor 2 by removing its 2P connector. Once the sensor is disconnected, turn the vehicle to the on mode again while keeping an eye on the HDS output. You will check the voltage parameters from the IAT sensor now that it is disconnected. Again, you're looking for a reading of less than 0.08 volts. If the readings fall within this threshold, it indicates a fault in the IAT sensor 2 itself, requiring its replacement. Conversely, if the readings still exceed the threshold, it's suggested that the problem lies elsewhere in the wiring or PCM, prompting the next step in the diagnostic process. The third troubleshooting step for DTC P0097 requires the vehicle to be turned vehicle off, lock mode again to safely conduct diagnostics. Start by jumping the SCS line with the HDS, which places the system into a special diagnostic mode. Maintaining this state for more than 1 minute is necessary for the results. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector E, ADP, ensuring that you have access to make continuity tests. Check for continuity between test points identified. These are located at the IAT sensor 2, 2P connector number 1, and body ground. If continuity is present between these points, this indicates a short circuit in the ITA2, INTA wire running from the PCM to the IAT sensor 2, confirming localized wiring issues. A no response means the wiring is intact, prompting further investigation of the PCM or related diagnostic service information. Final repair verification for DTC P0097 involves a crucial last step to confirm that the repairs made have effectively resolved the issue. Recheck the IAT sensor 2 operation by verifying that the voltage readings fall within the expected threshold. After replacing any faulty components or repairing wiring, perform a test drive to monitor if the check engine light illuminates again, or if any DTCs reoccur. It's also essential to assess the overall performance of the vehicle, including engine responsiveness and fuel efficiency, to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. This verification step solidifies the integrity of the repair process and guarantees that the vehicle operates without issues, promoting long-term reliability and performance. Only after confirming that everything is satisfactory should the repair be considered complete. Preventive maintenance is integral in minimizing the chances of encountering DTC P0097 in the future. Regularly inspect and maintain the wiring connected to the IAT sensor 2, looking for signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that could lead to electrical issues. Keeping the sensors clean and free from debris helps prevent false readings or mechanical failures that can impact performance. Additionally, monitoring and applying PCM updates as they become available from Honda can aid in addressing known issues or improvements in sensor calibration. Drivers should be proactive in maintaining their vehicles by scheduling routine diagnostics and inspections, which can help detect problems early. By adhering to these preventive practices, vehicle owners can enhance their Honda Civic's reliability and overall performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0097 is essential for maintaining the performance of your Honda Civic. This error code indicates low voltage in the IAT sensor 2 circuit, which is pivotal for accurate engine management. The sensor's ability to relay correct temperature information to the PCM ensures optimal fuel efficiency and engine operation. If not addressed, issues connected with this DTC can lead to poor vehicle performance and increased emissions. Proper diagnostics and repairs are crucial in resolving this code, along with adherence to preventive maintenance steps to avoid future complications. Overall, keeping your vehicle's electronic systems in check is vital for extending its lifespan and ensuring a smooth driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.